Okay, the paper airplane. First, we are going to fold it in half long ways. Line it up. Okay, crease it to make it nice and straight. Then we're going to open it up and begin to fold from one edge into triangles so that you fold into where the crease is. Make that nice and firm. Do the other side. Yep, line her up nice. So you've got the two triangles. Then we are going to fold it in half again to make an even sharper, more acute triangle. So fold that triangle again, line it up against the middle crease. Same thing on the other side. You got a nice dart-like airplane shape. This is one I did when I was a kid, so I remembered it, and I'm testing it out to see if it's going to work again. Yep, lining it up. Nice edge. There we go. All right. Now, fold it in half so the layers are on top of each other. And again, fold it over. Look at this to make, a rectangle at the bottom. You're going to do the wings is what we're doing right now. Wings and body. Okay, so do it on one side, do it on the other. Okay, there we go, a nice shape. And then I like to put fins on the edges like this to give it extra stability. Make sure it doesn't twist around and so it flies farther. One on one side, one on the other. And that's pretty much it. Fold them back out. See, there's our length. We're ready to give it a test.